Today, we're taking a closer look at the Sony A6900, the latest addition to Sony's mirrorless camera lineup. Is it a worthy upgrade for photographers and videographers? Let's find out. The A6900 builds on its predecessors with some notable upgrades. First up, the new 33-megapixel sensor. It promises better low-light performance and dynamic range, but what does that mean for everyday shooting? We tested it out in low-light scenarios, and the results are solid. Images are crisp, with reduced noise compared to older models, but the difference might not be as big if you're upgrading from a recent camera. Autofocus performance is another highlight. With 759 phase detection points, the camera quickly locks onto subjects even when they're on the move. It's fast and reliable, but again, if you have a recent Sony model, this isn't a groundbreaking change. For video enthusiasts, the A6900 offers 4K recording at 60 FPS with 10-bit color, which is great for more flexible editing. It's a good step up, but only if you're looking to push your video work further. The articulating screen is a useful addition for vloggers and those who shoot at tricky angles. It's responsive and adds some much-needed versatility to the camera. Battery life is decent, but doesn't see much improvement from previous models. If you're out for a long day of shooting, you'll still need to carry extra batteries. So, should you upgrade to the Sony A6900? If you're using an older model or need those specific video or autofocus improvements, it's worth considering. But if you have a recent Sony camera, the leap might not be as significant. Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more camera reviews.